Hey everybody, guess what? It's my birthday. Wait, what's today? Well, actually it's not my birthday, but hey, if you missed my birthday and you wanted to send me something, a little present or something, today is the day. You can send me a little help. Pretend it's my birthday. Actually, I'm leaving you this message because I do need a little bit of help. My computer struggling to keep up with me making my YouTube videos. I had got a new computer and somebody went in my car and removed it. I need a new computer. I also would like to get a desk and chair so that I can sit comfortably while I do my computers. I try to do this stuff on my couch. This thing is actually too soft and it hurts my back to sit here and work on my videos. After my last trip, return home, apartment was flooded somewhat again. Had a lot of mold, mildew issues. So unfortunately, I'm in the process of moving, and I don't want to take my large sofa set with me. I went to the furniture store and purchased another sofa set. So I'm in the process of moving. Got those expenses. So I seen a nice chair that I would like to get, and I think I may still have a desk that I used to use to make videos when I first started. So I would like to get a nice chair. The computer that I want is a custom computer that people that are in the video industry use. People that make videos for car commercials and stuff like that. I like to step up my game. So I was running numbers because I'm a number guy. If all of my subscribers would get me about 16 cents a piece, I'd have enough money to get this wonderful chair and this computer I need. Or if everybody that watches a video today would somehow get me about $1.35, I would be able to get this computer and video chair and computer that I want. So if you can, and this message is not to my Patreon supporters, you guys are donating and helping me out every month, but if you can spare $10 or so, I always tell people every $5 count. Please make a donation so that I can get some of this stuff behind me. Mainly the computer and the chair and desk that I need to continue to make the videos that I bring to you guys. Now, on a side note, Panther needs tires. Man, 40,000 miles in 1 year. The warranty on those tires is not going to help me get new tires. Queen Bee needs new tires. Panther, I want to rebuild the CV axles, get the boots redone on that, get those CV axles repacked. A couple other things. Panther needs those seats redone. Man, I'd hate to do a GoFundMe page because GoFundMe takes so much out of small donations. It's painful. Somebody did a GoFundMe for me about 3 or 4 years ago. They took almost 20% of the donations. A lot of small donations, they take a big chunk. So hey, if each of you guys that watch this video can spare $10, that'd be great. PayPal it to me, send me a check or money order. I'm trying to get my website fixed so that stuff is easy to do. But if you look at the comment section of this video, you can see how to do that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your prayers. And I look forward to helping you guys learn more about fixing your vehicles and stuff.